Hello everyone, my name is Camille. I'm the owner of Morfosoaps. Thank you very much for joining me with another soap making video. If you're new to our channel, please consider subscribing. On this channel, we upload every Saturday a soap making video, and sometimes it will be not about soap making, it will be bath bomb or some other bath or body products. Now for today's video, it's gonna be about the making of sandalwood soap. As the name says, it's scented with sandalwood fragrance oil. And in this soap, that's the soap, the finished bar, I did two colors, black and white. And then for the piping, I went with a less darker black, which is, you can tell it's a dark gray color. And I also used some golden mica to put between the piping and to finish the top with. So, and this is our stamp. I'm really happy how this soap turned. You can see the black and the white contrast in it, and it smells amazing. So without further ado, let's go and see how we made this soap. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment. You can even send us an email. And until next week, please stay safe and see you soon. Take care. So in this soap making, I'll be using the heat transfer method. I started with adding coconut milk, colloidal oatmeal, and kaolin clay into my soft oils, which is olive oil and castor oil. And then I'll be melting the lye into the water to create the lye solution, which is hot. And the heat transfer method, that's when we use the hot lye solution to melt the butters and coconut milk and the hard oils. So, and then after that, I'll be dividing the batter. One portion will be black, and then the other portion will be white. I used, for the black, activated charcoal. I mixed it in olive oil. And then for the white, I used titanium dioxide dispersed in water. I'm using the same heat transfer method to mix the piping, and then I'm using only activated charcoal because we will have a black piping on the top. And then I'll also be dispersing some gold mica mixed with alcohol in between the layers of piping. I find this gives a very nice shape to the bar when you see it in person, much better than what you see on the video or the pictures. But all in all, I was very satisfied with this soap. I really hope you enjoyed watching the video so far. If you're still watching, thank you. And then I really hope you enjoyed the last part, which is the piping part. I found that this one was one of the very successful piping consistency. The soap was moving right in the way I wanted it. It didn't accelerate, and it kept in the same consistency until I piped the whole top. So that's it. Thank you very much for taking the time and watching the video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for continuous support. The usual, thank you very much for everyone who's been supportive. And until next week, I always wish you the best, and I always recommend that you do something fun for you and have a good time. Take care. Bye now.